Good morning everyone. Today in this class we will discuss about developments leading to the Bohr's model of atom. Okay, so in previous class we already discussed about atomic models in which Thomson atomic model and Rutherford atomic model, but Rutherford atomic model could not explain the stability of atom, could not explain the electronic structure. Electronic structure means electron distribution in an atom, and it could not explain atomic spectra or line spectra. So in this class we will discuss about developments leading to the Bohr's model of atom. So which things are developed, we will discuss it in this class. Okay, so the two major developments are leading to the Bohr's atomic model. One is dual nature of electromagnetic radiation. Second one is atomic spectra. Okay, so here electromagnetic radiation means what? Electromagnetic radiation nothing but light. Okay, the best example for electromagnetic radiation is light. Okay, so here dual nature of electromagnetic radiation nothing but light contain wave nature and particle nature. Okay, so nature of light explained by two theories. One is corpuscular theory, second one is Huygens wave theory. According to corpuscular theory, light propagates in the form of small particles. Okay, so corpuscular theory was proposed by Newton. According to Newton corpuscular theory, light propagates in the form of small particles. Okay, so next one, second theory is Huygens wave theory. According to Huygens wave theory, light propagates in the form of waves. Okay, according to corpuscular theory, light propagates in the form of small particles. Okay, but according to Huygens wave theory, light propagates in the form of waves like this. Okay, so in this class we will discuss about dual nature of electromagnetic radiation. Okay, after that we will discuss about atomic spectra. Okay, here light is the form of energy. It is also called electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic waves. So now let us discuss wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. Okay, so wave nature of electromagnetic radiation is proposed by James Maxwell. James Maxwell. Okay, so James Maxwell explain about the interaction between the charged bodies and the behavior of electrical and magnetic fields on macroscopic level. Okay, so he said that when electrically charged particle moves under acceleration alternating electric and magnetic field are produced and transmitted. These fields are transmitted. These fields are transmitted in the form of waves are called electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic radiation. Okay, what he said, when electrically charged particle moves under acceleration, alternating electric and magnetic field are produced and transmitted. Next one, these fields are transmitted in the form of waves are called electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiation. Okay, simply, charged particle when accelerated, it produces two types of fields, that is electric field and magnetic field. Okay, so these electric field, for example, this is a x-axis, this is z-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, so when charged particle accelerated, it produces two types of fields. One is electric field, another one is magnetic field. Okay, one is electric field, another one is magnetic field. Okay, this is a electric field, one is electric field, another one is magnetic field. Okay, so here this is the magnetic field, here one is magnetic field, this is the electric field. Okay, when charged particle accelerated, it produces two types of fields, that is electric field and magnetic field. So next one, electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other and also with the direction of propagation of light. This is the direction of propagation of light. Direction of propagation of light. Okay, electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other and also with the direction of propagation of light. Okay, so this is the electromagnetic wave or electromagnetic radiation. So next one, let us discuss about properties of electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic wave. Okay, first one, the oscillating electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and also with the direction of propagation of light. Okay, second property, electromagnetic radiations do not require medium and can move in vacuum. Electromagnetic radiations do not require medium and can move in vacuum. Okay, this is a second property. Third property, all the electromagnetic radiations travel with same velocity. All the electromagnetic radiations travel with same speed, same velocity. Okay, so next one, fourth one, the arrangement of many types of radiation, many types of radiations based on the wavelength or frequency. Wavelength or frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, electromagnetic spectrum means electromagnetic spectrum nothing but the arrangement of many types of radiations based on the wavelength or frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. And now let us discuss about electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, electromagnetic spectrum nothing but the arrangement of various types of electromagnetic radiation in order of their decreasing frequency or increasing wavelength. Increasing wavelength is called electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, so electromagnetic spectrum nothing but the arrangement of various types of electromagnetic radiations in the order of their decreasing frequency or increasing wavelength is called electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, this is our electromagnetic spectrum. So here the wavelength is arranged in increasing order and our frequency is arranged in decreasing order. Okay, so wavelength is indicated by lambda, frequency is indicated by mu. Okay, so next one, different regions of the spectrum are identified by different names. Okay, some examples are, so first one, radio frequency region around 10 to the power 6 Hz. This is the radio frequency region. Okay, this radio frequency region is used for broadcasting. Next one, microwave region around 10 to the power 10 Hz. Okay, it is used for radar. So next one, infrared region around 10 to the power 13. Okay, simply we can say IR. Okay, so it is used for heating. Next one, ultraviolet region around 10 to the power 16 Hz. Okay, a component of sun's radiation. Okay, ultraviolet region around 10 to the power 16 Hz. Ultraviolet region, a component of sun's radiation. Okay, ultraviolet region nothing but sun's radiation. So next one, this small portion around 10 to the power 15 Hz is called visible light. Okay, this region of radiation is known as visible light or visible radiation. Okay, only this light can our eyes see and special instruments are required to detect non-visible radiations. Okay, so this is a electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, so next one, rainbow is a spectrum. Rainbow is arrangement of colors from violet to red. This is a rainbow. Rainbow is a spectrum. Okay, so in this visible spectrum, the wavelength is increases from violet to red. Okay, so this is a electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, in this spectrum, this region is known as gamma rays, this region is known as X-rays, this region is called long radio waves, long radio waves, and these two regions are known as radio wave regions. Okay, this information about electromagnetic spectrum. Next we will discuss about different kinds of units are used to represent electromagnetic radiation. Okay, so now let us discuss about different kinds of units are used to represent electromagnetic radiation or characteristic properties of wave. Okay, so first property is wavelength. Okay, wavelength is indicated by lambda. Okay, first property is wavelength. Okay, so what is mean by wavelength? For example, this is the wave. Okay, this is the wave. Okay, so wavelength nothing but the distance between two successive crust or two successive trough, or the distance between two adjacent crust or trough. Okay, so this is a crust, this is trough, this is trough. Okay, so the distance between two adjacent crust or two adjacent trough is known as wavelength. Okay, so come to the units. The units of wavelength are meter, centimeter, angstrom, nanometer. Okay, the units of wavelength are meter, centimeter, angstrom, nanometer. Okay, so here 1 nanometer equal to 1 nanometer equal to 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Okay, so next one, 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters and 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Okay, okay, this is the wavelength. Next one, frequency. What is mean by frequency of light? Okay, so frequency nothing but the number of waves passed through a particular point in 1 second. Okay, the number of waves passed through a particular point, number of waves passed through a particular point in 1 second is known as frequency. Okay, next one, units. What is the units for frequency? Units. Okay, the SI units are second inverse. The SI units are second inverse, cycles per second, cycles per second, CPC, simply CPC, or Hertz, HZ. Okay, so here 1 cycle per second equal to 1 CPS equal to 1 Hertz also equal to 1 second inverse. Okay, 1 cps equal to 1 hertz or 1 second inverse. Okay, so next one, frequency mu and wavelength are related as mu equal to c by lambda. Okay, or also write mu equal to, or also write lambda equal to c by mu, or c equal to lambda into mu. Okay, this is a relation between frequency and wavelength. Okay, so next one, wave number. What is mean by wave number? Wave number nothing but the number of waves present in unit distance. The number of waves present in unit distance is known as wave number. Okay, wave number also nothing but reciprocal of wavelength. Okay, okay, so mu bar equal to 1 by lambda. So next one, units. What is the units of wave number? Units, centimeter inverse or meter universe. Okay, next fourth unit is velocity. Okay, it is indicated by c. Velocity means the distance traveled by a wave in 1 second is called velocity. The distance traveled by a wave in 1 second is called its velocity. Okay, units of velocity is meter per second, centimeter per second. Okay, so here one more important point is there. All types of electromagnetic radiations have the same velocity, which is equal to the velocity of light, c equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, all type of electromagnetic radiations has the same velocity, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter second inverse. So next one, last type of electromagnetic characteristic property is amplitude. Okay, amplitude nothing but the height of the crust or depth of the trough is called amplitude. For example, this is the wave. Okay, so this is a crust, this is a trough. Okay, amplitude nothing but the height of the crust or depth of the trough is called amplitude. Okay, so units for amplitude is nanometers, centimeters, angstroms, picometers, etc. Okay, so next one, amplitude is a measure of the intensity or brightness of a beam of light. Okay, if amplitude is more, the intensity of light will be more. So therefore amplitude A is directly proportional to intensity of light or brightness of light. Okay, so this is the characteristic properties of light. So here one more important point is there, the relation between frequency and wave number is mu equal to c into mu bar. Okay. So next one, understanding purpose, I will give table for all the characteristic properties of wave. Okay, so this is a property, this is a formula, this is the unit. Okay, so first property is wavelength. The formula is lambda equal to c by mu. Okay, units, angstroms. 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter, also equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeters, also equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Next one. Okay, this is the units. So next property, what? Frequency. Frequency, mu. Okay, formula mu equal to c by lambda, or mu equal to c into mu bar. Okay, so units, odds. Okay, so next property is wave number. Wave number. Wave number. Okay, so wave number mu bar. Okay, mu bar equal to 1 by lambda, or mu bar is equal to mu by c. Okay, so next one, units, meter inverse or centimeter inverse. So next property, velocity. Velocity is indicated by c. Okay, c equal to what? Mu into lambda. Okay, so units, meter per second or centimeter per second. Okay, this is a characteristic properties of wave.